Right, there are two amendments in e-way bill already we have discussed. One is nothing but in case of multi-modal shipment where one leg of the transportation involves what goods ship, then for every 20 kilometers you will get what, sir? 1 day. So that's an amendment. This is from your ICA book, you can just go through once, have a look. Validity of e-way bill in case of multi-modal shipment in which at least one leg involves what, sir? Transportation by ship. दिख रहा है? Normal rule is what, sir? Up to 100 kilometers 1 day. Follow? Or for every 100 kilometers or part thereof 1 day. Next one, if you go to third point, up to 20 kilometers 1 day in case of what, sir? Over dimensional cargo or multi-modal shipment in which at least one leg involves what, sir? Transportation by ship. Likewise, for every 20 kilometers or part thereof, answer is what, sir? 1 additional day. So what is the amendment? This multi-modal shipment in which one leg involves transportation by ship is an amendment. बोलो पहले नहीं था अभी आया. This is one amendment. The second most important amendment is what, you know, this one. This you can expect in exam. इसको आप expect करो, है ना भाई, इसको expect करो exam में. This says only one thing, what you know. In a case of those people who are defaulters, they don't file return. जो लोग रिटर्न डालना पसंद नहीं करते और रिटर्न नहीं डालते हैं, their name cannot be reflected on what's our e-way bill, neither as a supplier nor as a recipient. Very simple. Now question is, what should be the size of default? Government says the default size can be any of these. If the person, the defaulter is under composition scheme. Hello. If the person is under composition scheme, then the default should be by not paying self-assessment tax for how many attempts? 2 consecutive quarters. In simple terms, he did not file CMP 08 for how many quarters? 2 quarters. समझ में आ रहा है? If you are a composition person and you fail to pay your taxes on quarterly basis, if the default is for 1 quarter, okay, no problem. But if the default continues for 2nd quarter also, then neither you can buy goods nor you can supply goods through e-way bill. हमें clear? तो आपका purchase supply दोनों मूवमेंट रुक जाएगा. चलिए, likewise for persons paying tax under regular scheme, मतलब other than composition scheme, the default should be for how many attempts? 2 consecutive months. Which default? By not filing return. Logically, only at the time of filing return we pay tax na. Confuse mat hona. For composition they are telling about payment. For other than composition they are telling about what's the return. Logically, which return it is, you know? GSTR 3B is the return that we are referring here. If you fail to file GSTR 3B for 2 consecutive months, then your name cannot appear on what, sir? E-way bill. Am I clear? Last one. A person paying tax under regular scheme has not furnished what, sir? GSTR 1. Sir, ये क्या है? GSTR 1 is nothing but detail of outward supply. Sale only you can say. A person paying tax under regular scheme and has not furnished what, sir? GSTR 1 for any 2 months or quarters as the case may be. Question is why quarters? Because GSTR 1 can be filed on monthly basis or quarterly basis also. Monthly for those people whose turnover exceeds 1.5 crores. Quarterly for those people whose turnover is less than 1.5 crores. छोटे हो तो हर क्वार्टर में एक रिटर्न, बड़े हो हर मंथ में एक रिटर्न. तो ऐसे होगा तो if the default continues for 2 months or 2 quarters, gone the case, your name cannot appear on e-way bill. Or indirectly, no person can generate e-way bill on your name. Neither you can generate nor anyone else can generate in your name. So these are the 2 amendments in case of what, sir? E-way bill. But they are most important. थोड़ा पढ़ के जाना, hardly 5 minutes video. ठीक है ना सर? Thank you.